Yes, YouTube, it's Demograffix, aka Dirty Dems. I'm here today at the Hall of Fame, stepping out. I've been back to back busy with projects lately, so this is good. It's good fun. Right, so got the outline on, got that funky flow in there, no extras, no arrows, nothing, just flow, cracking through the wall. Got the Megatron character sketched up, so he's busting through. He's going to be punching a hole in the wall. There's going to be rocks flying off. Fats has already started filling in his piece. We're going to go with a Decepticon purple. Oathman. Right, so halfway through the Megatron. Good old Megs. Let's get in there. Just got to do his other hand. Fats has got his fill down. It's looking sick. Oath. Getting there. So got the legs done on the Megatron, just this hand left to do. So that's it, I've got Megs all filled in. As you can see, it's blasting off the cannon. Now I'm going to smash out the piece as quickly as I can. Fats is already finished. Oath is still doing a few bits. But yeah, we're getting there. So that's it. Production wall finished, pieces on there. I've added some bright pink in there to give it a bit of a transformer feel. Got the bullets from the Megatron cannon flying through. I've got bits of rocks falling down in there. Megatron's looking awesome. See him firing his cannon off into the piece. I've got Fats here breaking out of the wall, bad boy London style. Just like to do a shout out to World War Stylers for the t-shirt. Thanks for hooking me up with this t-shirt. This was because we got the most likes on the Mortal Kombat wall on the last video, so cheers for that, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.